Hey everyone, Mark here again at Seaway Hyundai, here to show you another great pre-owned vehicle, 2018 Hyundai Tucson with the SE and all-wheel drive package. Plenty of factory warranty remaining. Let's have a quick walk around of the vehicle, then I'll show you some of the interior features. So for 2018, the SE was definitely one of our most popular packages. You got things like a panoramic sunroof, the alloy wheels, fog lights, a leatherette seating, so much stuff, so much good interior features, or so many good interior features. There you go, like I said, it's all-wheel drive. I'll show you the trunk real quick as we're doing our walk around. So nice spacious trunk, 3 child anchors, so you can put up to 3 child seats in this vehicle if you have a growing family. Again, it is a 4-cylinder vehicle, so very fuel efficient. So we like to do these walk around videos on all our pre-owned vehicles, especially for people that are starting to shop. You can at least see the condition of this vehicle. We try to make it as easy to purchase a vehicle here as possible. So again, this vehicle is definitely in very nice shape, and the nice part is there's tons of factory warranty remaining. You have the nice fog lights, good safety feature, turn signal indicators. We went ahead, put 2 brand new tires on the front. You can see the little dots there. Lots of meat on the tires. Big panoramic sunroof. I'll show you the interior now. You get the privacy windows on the back, which is nice, a little extra privacy. So the leather seats, all in very nice shape. No cuts or scuffs. As you can see, you got some rear ventilation as well. Just came out of the detail department. All the carpets are in very nice shape. You also get 2-stage heated seats right there on both the outside rear passenger seats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Power driver's seat with lumbar support. I'm gonna jump in. You've got lane departure warning. You can also adjust the interior illumination and traction control. The lane departure warning is definitely a great safety feature found in most of our Hyundais now. I'll just turn it on. We'll start from left to right. There's your volume controls right there, and your Bluetooth hands-free calling. If we move over, your information system, which appears on the center of your dash, is here. All your cruise control is there. And it's at 53,000 kilometers, so plenty of factory warranty up to 100,000 or 5 years, whichever comes first. You got your drive modes. Because it's electric steering, you can adjust how you drive the vehicle, that you can tighten or loosen the steering. You got downhill brake assist control for those really cold and snowy days. You got 4-wheel drive lock. There's all your auxiliaries and your 12 volts there. If we move up, one of my favorite features in most of our Hyundais now, heated steering wheel. I use this way more than I use my heated seats, but you know, everybody's different. You also got 3-stage heated seats. Dual zone climate control, which is great. So if your passengers are a little more on the cooler side than you, or vice versa, you have the ability to change one side to the other. And if we move up, this vehicle comes compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So the nice part now is you don't have to go to our top of the line model to get navigation. You simply plug in your phone. It does use data, but you know what, I've used it plenty of times, and with its up-to-date traffic, it's fantastic, gets you around, definitely avoiding the areas that are congested. So again, and last but not least, backup camera. Also, in my opinion, definitely a must on any vehicle that's new or used. So again, I've just showed you a 2018 Hyundai Tucson SE, all-wheel drive, panoramic sunroof, factory warranty, alloy wheels, leatherette seating. It's got it all. Shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.